Hello everyone, my name is Arjun. Today, I will speak slowly, so you can understand every word.
Hello friends, I am Mira. We are happy that you are here to learn English with us. Let's begin.
Mira, tell me, at what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I open my eyes slowly, I stretch my body, and I smile, because a new day has started.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Sometimes I feel sleepy, sometimes I feel lazy, but I try to get up.
Feeling lazy in the morning is normal, but morning exercise helps us feel fresh.
Mira, why do you think morning exercise is important?
Let me think. Morning exercise gives us good energy. It helps our mind stay calm. It makes our body strong and active.
Yes, I agree. When I exercise, I feel happy, confident, and light. But when I skip exercise, I feel tired, lazy, and weak.
Exactly. Exercise is not only for the body, it is also for the mind.
So, what exercises do you do?
First, I do breathing exercises. Slow breathing, deep breathing, inhale, exhale. It makes me calm.
That sounds relaxing.
Next, I do stretching. Stretch arms, stretch legs, stretch neck. It makes my body flexible.
Do you do yoga?
Yes, I do yoga for 10 minutes. Yoga helps me focus. Yoga gives balance.
Great. I also do yoga, sometimes, but mostly, I go for a walk, or a run.
Arjun, have you ever felt sad, stressed, or worried?
Yes, many times. Life is not always easy. Sometimes, we feel pressure. Sometimes, we feel confused.
Same here, but when I exercise, I feel better. My mind feels clear. My heart feels strong.
Yes, exercise is like therapy. It heals us, slowly.
Arjun, do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but I am trying. Exercise is a journey, not a race.
Very true. Small steps every day make a big change.
Mira, how long do you exercise?
Around 20 to 30 minutes, not too long, but enough to make me feel healthy.
To everyone listening, please remember, your health is important. Your body needs care. A healthy body creates a healthy life.
Yes, do not exercise to look perfect. Exercise to feel good, to feel strong, to feel alive.
And start small. Walk for 5 minutes. Stretch for 5 minutes. Breathe for 1 minute. That is enough to begin.
Progress, not perfection. Arjun, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try. I do a simple routine. I walk, I stretch, and sometimes I run.
Running makes you strong, right?
Yes, running helps the heart. Running gives energy. Running also improves breathing.
That sounds helpful. Arjun, can I be honest?
Of course. Tell me.
Some days, I don't feel motivated. Some days, I feel lazy. Some days, I don't want to get up. I just want to sleep.
It's okay, Mia. Everyone feels that way. Even I feel lazy sometimes.
Really?
Yes, it is normal, but exercising is a habit. Slowly, day by day, the habit becomes strong. Mia, do you want to stretch with me?
Yes, please teach me.
Okay, first, take a deep breath. Now stretch your arms up slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now, touch your toes slowly.
Oh, this is difficult.
It will get easier, slowly, no pressure.
Arjun, when I exercise, my mind feels clear.
Yes, exercise helps the mind. It reduces stress. It gives peace.
I didn't know that before.
Exercise is not only for the body, it is also for the mind, and also for the soul.
That is beautiful. Arjun, can I say something?
Yes, tell me.
Today I learned something important. I learned that being healthy is not difficult. We just need to start. Even if it's small, even if it's slow, one step matters.
That is true. Consistency is powerful.
To everyone listening, start with one walk, start with one stretch, start with one small healthy choice.
Yes, your body will thank you. Your mind will thank you. Your future will thank you.
Thank you for listening. Practice this conversation, repeat the words, and try to speak slowly. You are doing great. See you again in another lesson.